How to recover permanently deleted photos on iPhone. Let's get started. In this guide, I will show you 3 ways to recover permanently deleted photos on your iPhone. First, recently deleted folder. Open Photos app, then navigate to the Collections tab, scroll all the way down. Under Utilities, you're gonna find the option Deleted. Clicking on that, you'll be prompted to use your Face ID. Once you complete that process, you're gonna find the photos that you have deleted. Now from here you can easily recover the picture. Just select it and select the option Recover. Next up, iCloud Sync. For that, close this and launch your settings. Click on your Apple ID given at the top. Now head over to the option iCloud. Now navigate to the option Photos. Enable for this option, Sync this iPhone. Your photos will download from iCloud and your deleted image may reappear. Lastly, what you want to do is restore from computer backup. First, backup your current data in Finder or iTunes so you don't lose anything new. Then restore your iPhone to the older backup that contains the photo. Once you have recovered it, email or message the image back to yourself. And finally, restore your fresh backup to get up to date. That's it. 3 reliable ways to get back permanently deleted photos on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.